Welcome to Bear Creek Gardens, one of Surrey's finest public gardens, open year-round. Hidden within Bear Creek Park at 13750 88th Avenue, Surrey, BC, this garden is a true gem in the Lower Mainland. Surrounded by a second-growth forest of cottonwoods, alders, and western red cedars, Bear Creek Gardens was established in 1973 and has since become a beloved sanctuary. As we start our walk, you'll notice the massive gateway, constructed of western red cedar, marking the entrance from the main park area. This garden features a rich history and a diverse collection of plantings that we'll explore over the next 15 minutes. Our journey begins with a stroll along the footpaths constructed in 1974, which guide us through the original plantings. We'll see rhododendron beds, heather beds, conifer beds, and several mixed horticultural areas. These areas provide a vibrant display of colors and textures that change with the seasons. As we walk, you'll notice 3 art pieces installed as part of Surrey's public art program, adding a cultural dimension to our natural surroundings. Introducing the Winged Lion Woman, an extraordinary sculpture by Surrey artist Joan Miriam Adams. Located in Bear Creek Park Gardens, this remarkable piece draws inspiration from mythologies and archaeological figures. Carved from a 3.3-ton block of black granite, the Winged Lion Woman presides over the park like a sphinx. The garden's diverse plant collection is arranged into various groupings, including rhododendrons, azaleas, heather, and heaths. We'll also pass through the Woodland Bed, Cottage Garden, Ornamental Grass Collection, and the Shade Garden, each offering unique beauty and charm. Throughout the year, the garden's annual bedding and bulb displays bring bursts of color and interest, particularly in the spring and summer months. This diversity ensures that Bear Creek Gardens is a place of continuous discovery and enjoyment. In 1989, the garden expanded to include a native walk, showcasing plants of the Pacific Northwest, complete with a watercourse and a tranquil pond. As we walk, listen to the gentle sounds of the water and the rustling leaves, creating a peaceful ambiance. This lush, green haven features a diverse collection of fern species, showcasing the beauty and variety of these ancient plants. Ferns are some of the oldest plants on Earth, dating back over 350 million years, and they thrive in the shaded, moist environment of this garden. As you wander through, notice the intricate fronds and delicate textures that create a serene and almost prehistoric atmosphere. The Ferns Garden is a peaceful retreat, offering a glimpse into the rich history and natural elegance of these fascinating plants. Poetry Rock features a large piece of raw granite engraved with a poem by Surrey resident Dr. Rev Byung-Sub Van. A distinguished Korean-Canadian writer and theologian, Rev Van composed the poem Mere Water Am I, inscribed on the rock in both Korean and English. The poem explores the universal theme of water in its many forms, from raindrops to rivers to oceans, and through its various uses, from quenching thirst to powering factories. Using water as a metaphor, the poem celebrates social unity and cultural diversity. This work is a gift to the people of Surrey from Rev Van, his family, and his sponsors. This vibrant area showcases a stunning array of heather and heath plants, known for their hardy nature and year-round beauty. These low-growing shrubs provide a colorful display, with blooms ranging from white and pink to purple and red. The garden is a testament to the diversity and resilience of these plants, making it a delightful spot for visitors to enjoy in any season. As you stroll through, take in the unique textures and hues that make the Heathers and Heaths Garden a true highlight of Bear Creek Park. This beautifully curated section features a variety of plants native to Asia, offering a unique and exotic display. You'll find a stunning array of azaleas, camellias, and Japanese maples, each contributing vibrant colors and intricate foliage. The design of the Asian beds reflects traditional garden aesthetics, emphasizing harmony, tranquility, and the natural beauty of each plant. As you stroll through this section, enjoy the serene ambiance and appreciate the rich botanical heritage that these Asian plants bring to Bear Creek Park. This serene area is designed to mimic a natural forest ecosystem, featuring a diverse array of shade-loving plants. Towering trees provide a lush canopy under which ferns, hostas, and wildflowers thrive, creating a cool, shaded retreat. The Woodland Garden offers a peaceful escape with its winding paths and dense foliage, inviting visitors to explore and enjoy the tranquil beauty of nature. It's a perfect spot to experience the calming effects of a woodland environment right in the heart of Bear Creek Park. Bear Creek Gardens is not only a horticultural haven, but also a popular venue for wedding parties. The well-manicured gardens and the small chapel in the woods provide a picturesque setting for intimate ceremonies. Crossing the pedestrian bridge over King Creek, we have the opportunity to see salmon returning to spawn each November, a testament to the garden's thriving ecosystem. Thank you for joining me on this serene walk through Bear Creek Gardens. Whether you're here to appreciate the intricate plantings, enjoy a moment of tranquility, or find inspiration in nature, this garden offers a beautiful escape in the heart of Surrey.